Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Ipsy Plus. I'm almost positive this is $25 a month. If it's not, I'll put it on the screen. Maybe it's 24. I don't know. It'll be on screen. So I open it up and this is what I see. And there should be a card somewhere in here. Okay, so there is a card and it says find your light. It looks like you get to choose. Anyway, on the inside, okay, it does give the products. This is a little different. I can't remember if it was like this last month or not, but it does tell you what they're worth. And it looks like you can choose a product every month. Beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 Glam Bag Plus products. That's cool. And then they'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. That's cool. You asked, we listened. We've heard our Glam Bag Plus members have been missing the actual Glam bag. Well, guess what? It's back and you're gonna love it. Pick up to 5 add-ons. Now you'll have access to more samples and full-size products from 100 plus brands of unbeatable prices. So it's total crunch time right now. It is 4:38 and I always unbag Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Like, those are the 2 exceptions. I will unbox them and get them up in the same day. Well, I'm supposed to be going live in like 20 minutes. So I'm trying to bang this out real quick. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is I Do Care by Disco Kitten. And this retails for $23. And it looks like, okay, it's a luminous, super satisfying peel off formula mask from I Do Care. The box is really cute. And you know, I'm always down for a good skin mask. I'm not sure why that is on the outside of the container when it should be on the, okay, maybe it didn't fit because of the safety seal. So I don't know, but anyway, let's see, can it, no, it doesn't fit. So you have to pull the safety seal off first, that's why. Okay, that's cool. It's an illuminating diamond peel off mask. I'm excited to see what that's about, but I'm not going to open it right now just because I do have so many face masks that are already open. The next thing I am pulling out is Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to leave it closed, but that does retail for $22. The Becca powder that we got the last time, I think that that's my new ride or die. I think that came in Boxy though, not in Ipsy. But so I'm not going to open this powder. I'm just going to leave this be, and I will put it in a giveaway, or the upcoming giveaway that I have not mentioned yet. I will eventually. The next thing I am pulling out here is a lipstick by Illamasqua. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Illamasqua? And it is an Animatter lipstick in Midnight, and the value is $27. And if that is any indication of the color, well, you know what? I'll go ahead and I will take a quick peek just to double check to make sure it's not a color that I already own. It probably is a color that I already own, but anyway, the packaging is black and really sleek. I think it's pretty, and okay, so that is a little different than the color on the lid. That is more of a red, and that is more of like a brick red. So I'm glad I opened it. I will definitely keep that. I love red lipsticks. And then the next thing I am pulling out is an Ofra Midi palette, Miller Squad. And this is a multitasker's rejoice. This 3-piece palette collab from Ofra Cosmetics and content creator Madison Miller, a new mama, is all about that to-go glow. And this retails for $35. This is probably gonna go in a giveaway because I own a lot of Ofra highlighters, and it's really difficult to, yep, that's a no-go for me. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like there's a blush and then there's two highlighters, and it looks like they're just kind of one shade off from the other. One is more of a pink, the other one is more of a gold. But this is a no-go for me. I'm just going to put that in a giveaway for you guys. You guys know how I love giving back. And I really don't think that those are going to be my colors, but that's okay. Someone else can enjoy them. And last but not least, I am pulling out a palette, Nomad by Berlin Unterground. Not Underground. I'm so confused. Okay, so that looks like a T, not a D. U-N-T-E-R, ground. That's weird, right? I don't know if that's a misprint. Can you tell that that looks like a T? I don't know if you can because of my lighting, but on here it very clearly says Underground. I don't know if that's focusing right or not, but that very clearly says Underground. So I'm not sure. That's weird. Anyway, this is an eyeshadow palette that retails for $37, and we'll give it a gander. I don't know. We'll see. I've never heard of this brand. I don't want to ruin the packaging. Okay. It's really pretty packaging though. So, and this also says Unterground. Not under, but Unter. U-N-T-E-R. So I'm just confused, but okay. Ooh. And I will probably keep that. That's really pretty. I really do like, oh, those are beautiful. Let's give a couple of them a swatch. I don't want to sit here all day giving them a bunch of swatches, but let's see. NDW is this green right here. It's really pretty. And then we have Helden, which is this color right here. I really like the prints on these. That's really cool. It's a pretty color. I'm always down for golds. And then this, Poor But Sexy. That's so pretty. Ooh, I love that. That's gorgeous. And then let's see, let's pick one more color. Let's do this purple right here. So this palette kind of reminds me of a palette that I had. It doesn't really look purple on my finger, but it doesn't really look purple on the swatch either. I guess up close it kind of does, but it's looking more of a brown, I think. Anyway, this kind of reminds me of a palette that I had called Heavy Metal, and it broke. It fell off my wall and broke one day when my teenage boy came in the door and slammed the front door. It fell off the wall, and I could not like repan it. So I actually am going to keep this. I think that this is very reminiscent of that palette. So again, let's just recap real quick. Now that I have stuff all over me, let me just wipe it on my legs. Okay, so you get the Nomad Cosmetics palette for $37, and it's either Unterground or Underground, we're not entirely sure. You get this Madison Miller Palette Squad and Ophir Cosmetics. It retails for $35. I will pass that along. The Ciate London powder that retails for $22. I will pass that along. This red lipstick that I'm definitely keeping, it retails for $27. Keeping it. And then the last thing is the Disco Kitten face mask that I'm also keeping, that retailed for $23. So I don't know, you guys, I think that this was a good box. I am happy with this box, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.